Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome to another video. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. I know, guys. So today, he's gonna be heading down into St. Ann side. You know, so I'm here. I'm gonna give her a lift to the Knoxford bus station. You know, where she gonna get a bus to go down in the St. Ann's area, which is, you know, by Outreach side, you know, because, you know, it's coming to that time, you know, these always have to keep moving, you know, it goes on. I'm caught up in doing a lot of works right now, like charity works as well, so, you know, so I cannot be doing that trip or moving for now at the time. I finish off the Chef trip, Chef house, you know, so as soon as I finish out the Chef house, guys, I'm gonna literally doing some moving around, you know, doing some traveling, try to explore myself, you understand, and just try to enjoy a bit of life, because we're here and we don't know how long we're here for in this universe, you understand. So everyone in this life got something to do, you know, at least try to do some form of good in my life, you know, and I've been doing good by helping out the less fortunate and trying to help each and every one grows, you know. So there's time where I literally always have to think about what I can do for myself to enjoy my stay and everything, you know. So I do look into all of those stuff that I need to do some stuff as well to get off my bucket list, you know, so I can literally enjoy a bit of life, because you know how that goes sometimes. You know, doing charity work is not that easy, but it does take a little time, you understand? It does. So even the wiper guy here making his own ends meet, you know, as you can see. That's the hustle, you know. So I see them have to do them little job to make them ends meet, you understand? So it's never that easy, you know, guys. It's never that easy. You know, think of big up my channel, big up yourself. You know, think of big up yourself. Continue do what you do, yeah? Yeah, man, party on my channel. Yes, guys, so life is not what you think it is, but it's just how you live it, you know. Life is not what you think it is, but it's just how you live it. So according to how you live a life, you know, what you put out, that's what you will get in anytime of the day, anytime of the year, you know. So I try to put out my best, my ability, you know, to try to do good in life, you know, try to do good every time, because that's how life is. Try to doing good, you know. So did that work? The machine that work? Life is very short. Today here, tomorrow you don't, you know. So I want to know, while I'm here in this third dimension, I'm literally enjoy the moments, you know. I want to do that. I want to feel good in myself, you know, do what I feel I want to do, you know. So blessings to all, and thank you so much, guys. As I say, I'm heading to pick up the Moango, you know. I'm gonna take her to the Knoxford bus station that's in New down in St. Anne's, as what I said. So thanks to all my loyal subscribers, the positive one, negative ones, you need to eat good food, get your mind right, and try to stay positive. You understand? So when you do negative, that ain't nothing good. It ain't helping the world or helping no one. You're just trying to teach someone to be negative just like you. Boy! Yes, guys, well. So I'm here on Mandela Highway, right? On Marcus Garvey Drive, yeah. Marcus Garvey Drive. Bright and sunny day. Bright and sunny. So wake up. Did you wake up this morning and say thank you, Lord, for waking me up, each and every day? Most of you don't even give thanks for this life. You have to give thanks for life, for this experience, because you won't remember another experience like this. Can anyone of you tell me that you remember your past life? Who can comment and tell me that they remember their past life? You cannot. If you're the lucky one who can remember your past life, share it. So if you cannot remember your past life, why not enjoy the present life and be good, doing good while you do so, right? So if you cannot remember your past life, why don't you just stay positive and do the good in this present life? If you don't know what your past life was, to try to do the right thing for this present one, right, guys? That's what it is, man. Downstairs. Alright. No parking space. There's no parking space. Diana. Guys, there's literally no parking space down here. So I park at one spot. Hopefully it is okay for me to park here because there's no parking space down here at all. None whatsoever. None. Literally. You can't stop me. There's no parking space.
Of course you're scared.
Hey, you think I'm scared? I look at this one trying to scare me.
I saw like
jump. I know you're not gonna go inside. I know I'm walking right here, so I know you ain't scared me, Diana.
I've been waiting for two
Guys, right now I am so tired. I am beat out playing football. 11 o'clock.
It's hot.
You ready? Literally have to do it quick because I don't know where, if I'm safe where I park. So if I go out there and see a clamp, you know what time it is. Yeah. Guys, welcome to D Mwango's mansion. Oh, you're moving out your mansion? Guys, welcome to D Mwango's. Welcome to D Mwango's mansion. Looking nice though. I like your mansion. Oh, you brother, you got a bar. You got a mini bar.
Everything set up.
Everything.
Yes.
Should have a food shop in here.
Food shop?
Yeah, inside. Like we got a mini bar. Yeah, wow.
But what I love more about this place is the view.
Yeah.
I mean, this life is
Wow.
short to live like a boring life. In the evening when I come and stand here and look at, when the sheep are well lit and everything, the view is so beautiful. Then down there's a pool. It's too deep though.
Guys, look at the view from D Mwango's place. Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. And this is not the first time we've been here. Over and over and over and over.
Do not fall. Nice. Nice view. Lovely view.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. Time to go to Mystic Ridge. But I saw what is happening there. I just said I won't try it. I tried the roller coaster at Canoe Island in New York.
Yeah.
Oh Lord Jesus, I promised myself I'll never put myself in such a situation ever. That was the most.
Why, it make you
feeling.
sick?
I mean, the feeling is just, you can't explain it. You feel like you're dead. You
Can-
even
can I
regret
take
why
everything?
going up. I was just like this. I was like, today I'm dead. Like, I can't put myself in that situation again.
I know, them
Never.
ride. Them ride is no good.
Never, 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 never.
Them ride is no good.
Yeah.
No good. With God, all things are possible. See that, guys? The battery.
Yeah, it's in my head then.
With God, all things are possible, guys. So if you're without God, with them said you're dead already.
Yeah. No Jesus.
Yeah.
No life. Dead
No,
already.
yeah. So if you don't have God in you, what you have in you? Damn.
Devil.
Devil. Eh?
This
That
is
it. Okay. You can also be the devil, and you can also be good. You can do good and you can do bad.
Yeah. So
It's your choice.
basically, that is it. No.
Next way.
This way. That is it. You see the small tripod? Right here. So.
Oh, this probably one charge. Kind of come up as anything.
Yeah, and this is where to charge it. On the side. I think I saw somewhere.
At the front.
Yeah, here.
So it's dead. It's dead already. If you don't have God just like this, it's dead already.
Yes, guys. Let's go.
So Diana, let's go. Come.
Oh. Let me just count the check.
Is that your Crocs? You leaving it?
Yeah.
You leaving it?
Yeah.
Wow. Start to travel light. Traveling light, D. You're traveling light.
Kinda. I'm just trying to make sure I haven't forgotten nothing.
I'm feeling hungry.
Let's go eat.
Aibo spice.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to have porridge. I like a peanut porridge right now. Some peanut porridge. I played so many football yesterday, guys. Right now I'm knackered. You know, so tired. I'm beat out. I know that tomorrow I'm gonna feel so much better when the muscles start to ease and settle. Ease and settle.
I think I need to tell the security to open for us because I left the key.
In the house?
Or what do you think? Yeah, because the host told me to leave it.
Oh.
Or I get it, open, let me see, then you hold the door for me.
And then we're gonna get the key downstairs?
I just don't know. What do you think?
Listen. Yeah, let's we can exit. We can exit. We can exit the next side over there. Yeah. It's even closer to the car.
So then I don't need it. Then.
No. It's closer to the car. Much closer.
I'm tired.
Fifth times.
I got it far away so that I see.
It was second floor, right? Second.
How does that come from?
Yeah.
Lindan.
Lindan.
So when you come back to the spa with Lindan,
Alright then.
you need to take the clean up on, you know?
Yeah.
Now the cleaner, yeah?
Alright, Lindan.
Look, man.
Governor.
Yeah?
Every time, Lindan.
How is it? Down.
No, here.
This is the last.
We're going down, baby. Come on this side. Damn. Yo, how close that is. Okay. And it's almost reached. This is what they use on clamp people car. Are you on the clamper? Are you clamp cars too? Yeah?
You got it now.
I go check. If you get clamp, I'm come check you.
You do your part. You go back to
I'm going to see what go on. Okay, alright. I don't think I park at no one's space.
I thought it's downwards like this.
Huh? No? Legs them are so tired, boy. You wanna see my car? Hey, dirty, more than everything, inside, outside.
Honestly, there's no weather like tropical weather. This is the best.
Yeah, but you know, where we went to play football is like up in the mountains. So up here, you know, it's always muddy, raining, everything.
Oh, you parked it here?
Yeah. Oh, thank God, no clamp.
That is so heavy. I wish I could be a backpacker. With one bag only. But being a woman is something else.
You're a fashion one, so you have to have so many clothes to change and shoes.
You have to look nice.
If it was the casual type, I say, you know what?
Guys,
five
as a woman, you have to look nice every day and change.
And say 5 suit of clothes, I'm good. Imagine that. But no, she wants to have the whole army of clothes.
Every day different.
No, the one at the back. I put the one at the back.
It's called being a woman. And still I have to shop.
Oh gosh, holy sorry, please.
This one we can put on the other side. Yeah, because it has laptops inside.
Yeah,
Or it's okay. Okay. Thank you. Guys, today is the last day you're seeing me on Kira Life in Jamaica. So
Yeah.
don't ask again.
Alright.
I'm gone.
Tell them again, this is the last day.
This is the last day, I think, for this year. You seeing me on Kira Life in Jamaica, unless otherwise. I'm gonna miss you guys though.
Yeah.
Love you all.
Yeah, so unless situation changes.
Yeah.
Knowing
Yeah.
exactly, that's what I told you. Mud everywhere in the vehicle.
Oh, you normally carry other players as well.
Yeah. But you will carry other players. Trust me. You wanna see how you come back? I'm telling you, boy. I can't. Check if your door is your door is not closed.
Wait.
That's it. Hot. Seatbelt
Real
on.
hot. Fire.
Suppose Jamaica was a cold country. Alright guys, so we're gonna head to Ibo Spice now to get some food, you know, so we can get one of Ibo Spice, the Ital burger. Yes guys, so I see most of you asking where is Ibo Spice located. It's located on Orange Street, 131 Orange Street. That's where you literally find Ibo Spice, you know. 131 Orange Street. And also you can get him on Instagram as well too, Ibo Spice. You can keep up with what is going on. But check on 131 Orange Street, that's downtown. You know, so we're literally downtown as well too. So we're gonna use the machine for a minute and then we're gonna head back on the road. So let's go see what's going on. Beautiful downtown. What? Come. Hey. Ibo Spice. Keep on asking guys, so here is the address. Yeah, it's good man. Just Ibo.
Getting the burger.
Aye.
Competition day. Yes, the burger in here is top notch.
Yeah.
Never tasted such a good burger in my life.
Never.
Coming to Kingston, make sure you come to Ibo Spice.
The burger is so good. So good. I'm not lying. The porridge, the smoothie,
Everything.
the herbalade.
Aish. Maybe I should just take my takeaway and go with it, or it will spoil.
No, it's vegetable. It's not gonna spoil.
Just wrap it properly and carry it and eat later instead of going to eat rice and peas.
Yeah, you can eat later. You can take and eat later. That's what I do when I come here, and I take and then I take home so I can have later. I'll be okay. This is the steamers. The steamers, guys. Show them eyeball. Aye.
Hi, what is that?
Steamers.
What?
Good, eh?
Natural. Steamers, boy.
Just don't smoke, you know?
No, small.
You get the vapor.
Yeah. That's charcoal on top, right? Or charcoal on top, right? Coconut on top.
It's like healthy.
Yeah.
I did.
I
Yeah, I figured that out.
Food.
Food and
We want food or burger? We want food and burger. Yeah, want two burger and a food. Want a food and a burger for yourself?
Yeah, what is the food made of?
Remember when I give you the chickpeas and everything that mix up?
Oh, okay, yeah. Let me have that.
And a burger, two burger and a food.
And aside of plantain.
white plums, yeah.
Remember the food, the chickpeas, the
Yeah, so I don't
beans.
need to go and buy food. I can just carry it home, go in the house and
Yeah,
just
that.
feel
Healthy. They're serving at the plantain. You want smoothie too?
pour down. I wish I could.
And fire platinum ones, yeah? There, the fresh one. Two burger, you hear me?
That's how we feel about it.
Huh?
That's the
Herbalade? You have Herbalade? Yeah. Let me get two of them as well, you know, please. You have Irish? Yeah. Let me get one as well to go on to.
see what I have.
So, yeah? Remember your baby name, Rasta Mwango. Rasta Mwango. The planting, yeah? Guys, even the planting is so nice. Fried in coconut oil. No vegetable oil. This is the herbal oil.
I really want to eat truly Rasta 100%.
Rasta my art. Guys, this is the call it, some people call it porridge, but yours call it Irish.
Irish?
Yeah, with the peanut, banana,
This is mine.
and plantain. Yeah. Whoa.
Looks so good. Wow, look at that. You know, what is it made of? So many things.
Yeah.
Chickpeas, avocado, pumpkin, lentils, name it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
General, what inside of this?
Well, everything.
Yeah.
Pumpkin and string bean. Ackee and gully bean run up. With mustard greens. There is turmeric chickpeas and red peas too. And then the top of avocado, beetroot. Mexican chayote. The Jamaican call it chocho.
Chocho.
And they have shredded coconut. They have some cucumber, tomato.
Oh, that beetroot as well.
Yeah, the red thing I beetroot.
Beetroot.
You're the one who cooks this?
Part
Part of it.
Yeah.
in it because a team of them.
Yeah, it's a team of them.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a team of them. Wow, so healthy. And here we got our two burgers.
No, the mosquitoes.
Mosquito bites, you know. And here are the burgers, guys.
This thing is so good. I'll just carry this. Yeah, this one will reach for sure. I'll eat it at night and sleep.
Well, guys, so we finished our food at Iowa Spice.
You know, thought he was recording, but he wasn't recording.
Yeah, I thought I was recording while I was there, while I was even leaving, you know. So, anyway, we had the food. Well, I have the Irish and the food, and they have also the food and plantain. Long cream. Imagine that. I'm trying to make my juice chill. You know, these have in her Herbalade.
Yeah.
You know, and then she want to steal mine. Imagine that. Yeah. She got hers with a bit of ice in it, so she tried to drink it before the ice melt out. So you know, once you drink out the juice part, the ice that's left, when it melt out, it's not going to be a lot good. So I'm here talking to you guys, and she's stealing my drink and opening it right in front of my eyes. Good thing I'm looking what's going on. Thief. I report here. Guys, I'm right here in Cross Road. You know, can't believe you. Look, let me show you mine. See it here?
That's not true.
Wow, cool, everybody, look on fair, you know, and she literally want to steal mine just now. And like, no. You mad? Why?
Not so tasty like how it was when I started. Yeah, all the sweetness is
Gone because we are drinking too soon. Whenever you have juice and it's frozen and you see little juice and you start to drink it, you're gonna get out the best part. Then you have to second for the worst. You know? So yes guys, we're taking her to the bus station. You know, she's leaving this area. She's come.
Yeah.
You know.
Soon be back, guys.
Soon and very soon. I know you guys always want to say, oh, Kina and D should travel. Just watch what I go on.
Soon.
You know, just watch what I go on.
It'll be
will happen.
Surprise!
Yeah, like.
We want it to be a surprise.
It have to be a surprise. We cannot tell us, oh, we're gonna travel next week, next month, or you know, tomorrow. No, you have to get the surprise.
For sure.
You know, that got happen now. We got the ways we're not gonna expect it. No, don't cross, run, green. I don't understand these kids. They're going to school, right? And you don't know when it's green and it's red. If green and you walk across the road, you should know that you're not supposed to walk. Sometimes it hurts me for them, you know.
They can even watch and see when the cars have stopped.
Exactly. But when it's green, you're crossing. Why? Why? No, man.
Anyway, guys, please remember to subscribe, support Kino. He's such an amazing person.
Well, it is the way, man. It's with good energy. I don't need a negativity. I mean, good energy. So we're gonna get some picture.
Where I get some?
Picture.
Pop chow?
Pop chow.
Hey, I know.
She knows. It was a nice sunny day here in Jamaica. As Dia says, a good day to be alive.
Yeah. What a good day to be alive.
So that means when the day is not
every
sunny.
day is good.
Oh, I was
But
wondering.
I love the warm Jamaican weather. The tropical weather, oh my, the best. My skin loves it a lot.
Sure.
But soon, they will be all covered.
Hey, cold as ice.
Cold as ice with running nose.
That's the worst thing about it, you know.
I'm telling you,
The
feel like your
running
nose is blowing, and I have to put a cap on my head, like, you know, I'm having.
Yeah. That's why sometimes I have to really appreciate the people that literally live overseas and work in the cold. Like, you don't know what they really have to go through. They get up early in the morning when it's so cold and have to go work and then back home and get up in the morning, work and then back home, you know. Them people, you have to really appreciate them, because I experienced it and I know what it's like literally working in the cold, especially those that work outside as well in the cold. You know, it's not easy, especially when it snows. Imagine working when it snows. I remember times you can't even feel your ears.
Maybe I'll try skating this time.
Yeah, you ever try to feel your ears, you cannot feel your ears. Even your nose, your fingers, them is so numb. Your toes, them is burning. Hey, that was one of the worst things.
And the nose, you feel like
running. Even your nose.
Not even running, nose bleeding. You feel like blood is coming out.
And the thing is, The worst part.
I remember when I was in Finland. Oh God, I was like, what? I was wearing 3-4 clothes, shirts, tops. Eish! It was hard.
The worst part about it, imagine you're standing there speaking to someone and your nose is running. I don't even know that your nose is running. You're walking down the road, catching a bus or something. So when you go on the bus now, you're like, oh, driver, how much is it? Whatsoever we're talking to, not knowing that your nose been running. Like, that is so bad. Even when I was playing football, when someone hit you in your ears,
Don't even feel.
no, it feel like it break off. That's how cold it is. Yeah, it hurts. And I tell you, because when somebody lick you in the ears like this, and when it's so cold, listen, you feel like your ears drop off. You have to like, look, where's my ears? Like, that's how painful it is. Yeah, man, so big up to who working at the cold, big up on the service.
Wish you the best and stay safe for those who, maybe get the floods and all that. Just keep safe.
That's why I have to always appreciate my donors and that donate to the program, because trust me, I know what they're going through over there. You still make the effort, with your kind heart to donate, to the program, and we really appreciate that so much. And you guys been on the journey with me for like a couple of years now doing this charity. And so many money donated through this program, from overseas, people working in the cold. I really appreciate it, And I always have to thank you so much, for reaching out. Trust me, so big up on a nice, clean self, David, I say,
Yeah, big up your nice,
clean
self.
blessed love to
Yeah.
It goes already, man.
You know how the thing go.
You know how the thing go. Right now, we're in Jamaica. And the sun hot, so the only thing I can do is show in the sunlight, and hopefully when you like what you see, right? Traffic in Jamaica as usual, boy.
Yeah.
Traffic.
What time it is? Let me see what time it is.
Time is time's moving.
4?
No, it's almost 3.
Oh, okay.
Time is moving. I give thanks, thank you, Lord. I am grateful
for life and all that it is to me.
Remember always to be grateful for
everything.
Just accept what you have, accept what it is,
Yeah.
Don't make your mind stray from what you cannot do.
Yeah.
But just try to visualize what you want and believe that you have it and focus on it.
Accept the things you can change, and the things you can change, work on them.
Yeah. I know sometimes they will say, you think it's not easy. When we are going through this, I know it's not easy, because through the mind play a lot.
Yeah.
The mind plays so many tricks. I'm telling you, when you look at your situation and think, this is it for me. No, it's not it. You all have to go through a test in life, being through the challenge. Because sometimes the Almighty is speaking to us, but we're not listening. Sometimes you have to knock the door hard for you to understand. Wake up, Sometimes the Almighty knock the door so hard for you to feel that pain, for you to reach out back to Him and say, Lord, and listen and start to speak to Him. But before you never listen, so that's where it goes sometimes. Listen for that quiet noise. It's not loud, but it need awareness for you to acknowledge it. Every time I get a juice shake, I think of my juice, But we got some man is over here chilling out.
Look at how white it is.
White.
Pour some for me.
All of the honey gone.
Pour some for me, Kina.
Oh, you pour some. I'm going to pour all for you. Not some. After I tell us that you don't drink it.
What was I doing?
Yeah, exactly. Emancipation Park over there. Pegasus over this side.
Yeah, we've been to so many places here. Nearly everywhere.
We've been to the whole 14 parish of Jamaica.
Yeah. And all these hotels, Pegasus, what, name it.
You name it, there's too much. Good vibe, good energy.
This corner here normally feels like poaching.
Yeah, and they sell
those things.
go on then. Go up here, sir.
I've been to this part already. The beautiful Jamaica.
The land we all love.
I'm telling you, the best country in the world. Good vibes and everything.
Good energy.
This road here has all the Caribbean countries, Barbados, Grenada. Yeah. I remember walking all this area up to there, going round. Yep.
Big pathway right here. Knoxford.
Let's see if I'll get a ticket.
New Kingston. Knoxford Express. Alright guys, so we're here at the bus station.
Yep.
Knoxford, so hopefully the sun is out, so I have to put the shades on, kind of like cringing
Yeah,
up my
for me,
eyes.
that's how you think. I'm like,
Yeah.
but I'm going to get sunglasses. You know, one of my weaknesses, I can't keep sun. I have none right now.
That's true.
And I always buy them all the time, the time.
And I don't like cringing up my eyes.
Yeah, it's not okay.
And the sun just cringing up the eyes.
I'm going to get some.
I don't like doing that.
Guys, please give me tips on how I can maintain my sunglasses. You remember the other day we watched the other ones at Pavilion? Was it Pavilion or?
No, I'm Sovereign.
I don't have them.
Yeah.
Lost long time.
A long time. So in here is going to we will check. So guys, we'll check out and see this Knoxford Express. Where can we check for tickets here? Tickets.
Are you already second trip?
Which flight I go?
No man, you're a big one there?
Yeah.
Mobile, which one?
Portuguese.
Yeah man,
City lucky.
Just now.
Right on time. Right on time. So you get your tickets. You go. Yeah, get one for me too.
Okay, I'm getting 2 tickets. One for you, one for
I am going, so guys, I'm going to leave the car and I'm gone. They say, Ochi? I know they would love for me to be on that trip right now, but down there.
but you have something that is doing.
Yes, guys. So, as I said, I need to go finish the worship project. You know, so that's why I cannot move.
Hello, hi. What's
So, I cannot move.
Diana.
Yeah. So,
How much is
hopefully,
it? Nah. Okay. Yeah. MW. AMGO.
okay, guys, so whenever I finish doing these projects, you know, I will try to take some break, do some traveling, you know, move around, experience things that I never experienced before. So at least when I become a real grandpapa, because I remember I went to there, I remember I do that, and I remember, you get me? So why not, you know, explore? The Almighty gave us the universe for us to explore, so we have to explore the universe, and that's what we have to do, man, and appreciate it while we're here at the same time, right? So we have to also give thanks for life and give thanks for everything that we have. Jackson.
Yeah, I'll call the guy and ask if I'll get out and Jackson.
Jackson is at the gas station we're always going to.
I know the place.
Oh, okay, she know the place now.
You have any luggage with you?
Yes, please.
How many?
I'll put one, then the other one I have to sit with it.
Okay.
Will you get 2 seats?
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember, I don't have to tell you where this place anymore. You're like, oh, I know, you know.
It's 20 or 1?
2 a week.
Okay. So 2,750. So sorry, I only printed out a bit for you.
No, just for her.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final boarding announcement for all passengers James 8. On our 3:15 service, Rascal, Southwest and Montego Bay, connect sharps to Port Antonio and onto the Port Royal to kindly make your way to the boarding area. Thank you. So you're all set.
So it's a window seat?
Well, a 2 seats.
Oh, it's free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a set, so you make your way over.
So is it that one that's loaded now?
Yes.
Oh, so you come
Okay,
right.
let's go get the bag.
Let's go get the bags and come back. You come right on time.
That's good because I need to go and do some work as well too.
Go get the bags. This one? This one?
Yeah, we're bringing the bag.
Okay.
This one.
No, yeah, we're going back to the ground.
Oh, we'll get the bags and come back.
Yeah.
Alright.
Come. Quick and fast.
Ah, the space is carrying their food.
Put it in the bag. Put the food in the bag.
This is very easy to move. I hope I haven't forgotten anything in your car.
You have everything. You have your phone. You have your phone. Okay. I'm ready. She's ready. Got it. They're gonna say it's time.
Alright guys, later in the day we had some good food at Ibo Spice. Now we are at Natford. I was almost saying we are leaving.
Yeah. That day will come and you say we are
Leaving. Finally leaving.
finally, you know. We are living. I know they cannot wait for that day, right guys?
Yeah.
That day
Guys,
will come.
welcome to maybe Dominica or something.
Some country somewhere.
Yeah. To be
You-
so much fun.
Just choose which country you want to see us travel to.
Yes guys. So
Hey, the bus leave out. Hey, what the bus there? General, the bus, the Ocho one.
What time?
Now.
we want to bring the bags.
When you bring the bag, look how long you think you bring the bag.
So now it will go for right there, sir.
Look how long you gone.
And how long that? I eat that?
No, that's an airport board.
We missed the bus. What's the next one?
Eh?
What?
You have to go to the office and do numbers.
Guys,
Guys, we missed the bus.
we
Just
missed
like
the
that.
bus. That was quick though.
That was so quick. Just going to get there.
That was so quick.
Catch it.
Eh?
Can you catch it?
No, miss it. Driver, we could drive on the coach there.
That was just so quick.
So
It's
quick.
like less than 3 minutes. Oh my. So you have to adjust the ticket again. Missed it.
Somewhere we can put the luggage.
And just keep eating.
Yeah. Alright. Asmo. Yeah.
This is the best than this. This is GoPro, this is Osmo. This is
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, packetry. Yes guys, so apparently we missed the bus.
Imagine
She's
guys.
crying.
Not really crying, but everything happens for
For a
a reason
reason.
sometimes. You know,
Yeah,
it's
so-
forced.
So we missed the bus, but it was so quick. Imagine they said there was folk speaking on the mic said
Yeah.
boarding
Then
last
that
car
time it was moving.
moving. So
Yeah.
by the time we were walking going for the suitcase,
We come back, it's
gone.
gone.
But probably when we was walking, I
was
see a bus
moving.
drive past, but I
You
never
saw?
know. Yes, I never think it was that one.
Oh, okay.
But that was so quick, you know. Hey, that was so quick.
Anyway, guys,
Anyway, we're
not
gonna.
the end of life. If it was a plane, it would be different.
Hey, no, if it was a plane, boy.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever missed a flight in my life. I don't remember.
So this is like a little shopping area, this.
Oh yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah. You see clothes.
Yeah, but they have official clothes here for people who are working.
Yeah. They got Woolworth here. You got Woolworth as well.
Oh, maybe I can look for my soap and stuff. Then we need to go back to the car.
For your soap.
No. I mean, you remember that the oil that you got last time, Palmer's cocoa butter, whatever? I haven't seen it for a long
Yeah,
while.
and I also need one as well.
Okay, let's look for it then. In here?
I don't think you have it in there. Well, let's check, but I doubt it.
Okay.
But I doubt you will find it inside here.
Maybe. They really have nice prices. Look good, they're long.
Yeah, the Palmer's cocoa butter.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I think you'll more find it in a like where you said ear products.
Hair products.
Yeah, I think. So guys, there's this Palmer's cocoa butter that I use and I introduced D to it. It's so good. So good.
Like a big one, like so
That-
good, 1,200.
That is when you have Rasta Mawango.
It's a small little something,
Yeah.
you know?
Well,
You know, it looks like a baby one, but if I put it on, it looks like a cute crop top, you know?
Yeah, I think it'll be a little bit too small.
No, it can be small. That is the best size.
So you gotta try it then.
Island tube. It's gonna fit me. There's nothing even like trying.
That is gonna be so tight. You can't even lift up your arm. You can't lift up your arm.
But it will be like a good something.
Something.
Then this one is good if I just put it on like that. Just like this. You know?
Like a 90.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
But
in
the
US.
is so good.
Is that Jamaican?
No, 1440 Jamaican. Yeah. Difference is only 200. I don't know if I should get it. But I really like it. With this, with a small shot inside, it feels nice. I'll only get this one for now. I love it. See how long it is? With a shot inside, that's a dress.
Is that dress?
Yellow or green?
You have yellow already?
I think I have green already.
If you have green already, you get the yellow.
Yeah.
If you're sure. Even these carpets is so nice. On your doorsteps. God, right in here is so cool.
We don't feel like leaving.
Don't it? Walk so slow till the time runs out.
Yeah. I think you are right. We can't find it here.
No,
The
but
Palmer
we can check
something.
inside here same way. We can check outside and see
Oh, outside.
other stores.
Let me get this t-shirt.
I like the way you always represent it for Jamaica.
Yeah, always, even in
And
New
to get
York,
water.
everywhere. They just asked me from Jamaica.
Jamaica. Too. See this alkaline water?
Alkaline?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Purified and iron.
You ever tried it before?
No.
Alkaline water, guys.
Stream
Drinking
water is water in there.
Yeah. Oh boy, them selling so many waters in bottles, they don't know which is which.
Yeah.
Or if they're true, or they're lying. Look.
Yeah, the Palmer's book or something is not here. Let's look for it. It's so good. Always look for it.
Alright.
Cashew?
Yeah.
Oh, cashew over there.
Oh, really? Look. If it was here, you'd have see it right here.
Oh, yeah.
But they don't have it.
It's on this other side.
But look, you got the soap. You got the cocoa water. There's the soap. Daily skin therapy, cleanse,
I
moisturize.
think it's nice.
Oh, I need to try that soap too.
You can get it then. 1.5.
It's 9.46.
9.46.
Yeah. They got the soap in
Okay,
it.
then let's try it.
You wanna try it? Oh, it's small.
9.46. But it's very, very, very small inside.
Don't it? Small.
But I love goat whatever.
Got them though, it's a big over there as well. They don't have it. They don't have it. Yes. Oh, let's check here. Oh, let's check here, D. Here it is. It's here. It's a small one. The small one.
Oh, yeah. And it's too small.
Too small.
This at less than a month it's done because when you show it
But at
twice a
least,
day.
if you don't have it, you're gonna need it. You can get this for now then.
For now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I need to go. I'm gonna go after tree to get the big one.
I think you're looking for it.
Yeah, but I cannot buy that small one because I'm here. So I need to go get the big one. So you see, we found it, guys. This, it's so good. You know, this is what I use on my skin as well too. The Palmer's cocoa butter.
To this and it's so good.
Yeah, ease on salt and relieve rough, dry skins. It's so good, trust me. And
Even when you're applying it on the hands, you just feel it.
you can feel it smooth and everything.
And no more, I mean, like chemicals and those things now.
Alright. Here's your soaps, D.
Yeah, I normally use these ones. Kina knows everything. Yeah, I like them. Also the turmeric soap. I love it. You're the one who showed me this as well.
Yeah.
And I was like, this soap is good. So I'll get one for now.
Yeah.
You had no plans of shopping.
But that's you. You never had plans till they make your own while you're at the store.
Until I see them.
Till you see them.
No, I even wonder if I have. No, tomorrow I will go and watch and just look for the big oil and other things.
These two.
Oh man. Kira knows. When Kira sees things like this, he goes, do you like such things?
Yes,
Like this one, I don't feel like leaving. For sure.
Hey, fresh. Pull. It's closed. Oh, let it in. Wow.
We have some beautiful things in here.
Hey.
Today's today.
Today is not. Blessings, my general. Big up yourself. Where you get that smoothie to buy?
Right. Soon as you go through the exit right, in the right there the foot.
Oh.
Just go up and send him the right.
What's that you have in there?
Banana man, it's a beat too, you know.
Yeah?
It's a going good man.
That's a baby in a back. Chum, man, the baby in at the back. Oh, buck up in her. Okay. So, hey, man, guys, you hear that? That's a buck up in her. You know, make your back swell up in here. Hello.
The thing is, I'm going to a winter country. And all I'm saying here is summer.
Summer.
So I was just thinking, why would I be putting this summer?
In the club.
Eh?
And then stepping in the club.
What's going in the club?
Yeah, nightclub over
I
there.
wonder why I've never known this shop. You know the one that we normally know is the other one at where we normally eat.
Barbican.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I knew it earlier before leaving.
Hey, you know at the right time when you're leaving. Right?
Yeah. It's so cute for summer. Wow.
Yeah, guys.
For taps and cakes and stuff.
Yes, guys. So they leave you to go and shop around while I go and sit around and watch around, you know? Yes, so that's what I'm going to do. Sit around, make the shop around, you know? Not much general.
No, I just wonder why I didn't know this shop like early. And I'm leaving. And I'm leaving.
She said she never know why she never knew the shop. But at least you know it now for next time when you come back. You said, Keith, remember that place?
Yeah, yeah.
By by the bus station. You know, so next time then you will know.
You will
Look,
see something that looks
there's some nice shades there as well too.
Yeah, shades I think. It is nice. Let's see what I can get. But they have really summer, like Caribbean weather.
Yeah.
And I'm going to winter area.
Whoa, so guys, if you reach this far, you're watching the video, you haven't put the thumbs up. Put the thumbs up. What you waiting for? Put the thumbs up. Never forget to put the thumbs up, you know, because it helps the program grows. You know? So watch the other shop till you drop.
It looks so nice for summer.
One thing in Jamaica, summer is every day.
Yeah.
Only when it's rain, you get a rainy day. That's one thing for sure.
You trade it for nowhere.
You wouldn't trade it for nowhere, though.
So,
Can't trade Jamaica.
whereas which big country now where we can dress like this?
Yeah.
Here.
Jamaica got paradise, man.
See where some.
I just for us there and maintain myself.
We are we really gonna know it?
No.
Now look at the people who are come full joy to.
Yes. And I come take it over. The investors, they must see it and invest and I say they're taking over, you know. And we literally see it and not knowing that. Jamaica, trust me. You know, it's a place, a paradise, you know, you got everything here, the weather, the beach, the food, the people, the culture. You know, it's just so good. Huh?
What's the name of that shop that I normally go?
I don't remember. It's up by
something.
yeah, it's up by Barbican on Barbican Road.
There's another very pretty shop like this at the same area. You guys together.
Alright guys, so we're back at it again.
Hopefully we don't miss nothing.
Yeah.
This time round, let me adjust the hair.
So imagine we're back at it again. So but this time we're definitely not missing it. So we're literally 5 minutes on time.
Yeah.
Only 5 minutes, but you can hear the bus truckling already. You hear it?
Oh yeah.
That's the bus truckling there. So if our time is slow and their time is faster, we miss it here.
Now no going. Cancel everything.
Cancel everything. Imagine our watch is so slow.
Yeah.
And
But it was really worth it, guys. We took you to the mall and I hope you enjoyed it as well.
Yeah.
That was so good.
Yeah, we'll
New
take them.
discovery.
Take them for a walk, you know?
Yeah.
Trust me. So at least a walk, there's like an exercise for you, D.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. You have to keep fit all times.
Keep it moving, guys. Keep it moving. We like to move it. We like to move it.
What is this one?
It's one of them. This one, right?
This one?
Ochi.
5 o'clock?
Raksa, yeah.
Go on, go on, back up there.
From now.
Yeah.
God, they don't want to ever miss you. Wow.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to North Express. My name is Rashid, alongside Titania. We are your customer service agents for this afternoon. All passengers checked out for 5 p.m. port service to Draxall, Falmouth, and Montego Bay. Your customer transportation officer for this afternoon is Maureen Greenling. At this time, we'd like senior citizens and the passengers requiring special assistance in boarding to kindly make your way to the boarding area. Please have in hand your boarding tickets for inspection.
Boarding tickets.
Please to ensure that your luggage is taken to the boarding area for loading. Ladies and gentlemen, regular boarding commences immediately after. Thank you.
Don't even have it.
Put it in the bag. Alright, D. I'm going to leave you now. Hey, boarding. Luggage.
Oh, there's this bag for luggage as well too.
How are you going to hold this?
Hey, everybody's gone kid. I don't want to be the last person to get the bag.
So come then. You're gonna carry this on the bus, right?
Where you doing?
Draxall?
Eh?
Okay.
Well,
Going to Draxall?
yeah.
Bye guys. See you soon.
Soon and very soon. Representing Jamaica. Wait, do? Is that your medal? Huh? Bodybuilding? Wow. Can I see your medals? Olympic?
No. CSC.
CSC. Wow. Big up Jamaica representing. That's what it feels like. So. Alright guys, so the border bus, so it's my time to go hit the road. I know it goes already. Where the journey will always continue for me, you understand? So guys, I know you enjoy the series with me and the Wango. Trust me, there's many more to come, you know, but you have to just give it time. But there's many more to come, so much more. So remember, stick and stay, don't run away. Just stay right here, you know. So thanks to all my loyal subscribers that always here, you know, with Kino. Never leave him out. Always on the journey with me, you know. Never fade away. Always here. Pick up on yourself every time, you know. Blessed love to Uno. Without you guys, boy, the TV would have turned off. You know, so thank you for turning the TV on the smartphone off and watch a little bit of Kino life in Jamaica. You know it goes already. Well, I appreciate that every time. So So let's get the road. Let's see where the road takes me. My phone's ringing. Hello? Oh God, you always forgot something. Look where you forgot the camera. Guys, D forgot our camera. Yeah. Alright, I'm coming. Guys, imagine D forgot her camera. Look. D forgot her camera. Good thing. Look, hey. How did that work? So guys, D left her camera. So lucky. Guys, should never check. And the bus gone. And when she reached home, I realized that the camera is in the car. She would have been so mad, you know, knowing that our work is on this. So let's go give her back her camera. Fast.
Look like you have a plan in the tower, or you know? Just make the missy bus again.
I shall almost left all our camera.
Well, make the missy bus again.
Here too.
Hello.
Hey. Alright. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.